My name is Paige. I am in 8th grade. Clara is my best friend. We do everything together. There is a girl in our class. Her name is Harper. Clara and I don't like her. She is annoying. She talks too much. She always wants to be right. We argue with her all the time. One day, our teacher made an announcement.
Class, listen.
She said.
Tomorrow we have a math quiz.
My heart dropped. I am very bad at math. Very, very bad. I study hard, but I don't understand it. If I don't find a solution, I will fail. I need to pass this quiz. I looked at Clara. She smiled at me.
Don't worry,
She said.
we'll find a way.
The class was almost over. Then something strange happened. The classroom got crowded. Kids were giving the teacher their projects. Everyone was moving around. There was noise everywhere. I was putting my books in my bag. Clara was next to me. Then I saw it. Clara took something from the teacher's desk. It was a notebook. A special notebook. I knew what it was. The teacher keeps the quiz questions in that notebook. The answers, too. My eyes went wide. Clara, what are you doing? I whispered. She smiled.
For you.
She said.
Now you can pass the quiz.
My hands started shaking. No, I said. Put it back.
Paige, you need this.
Clara said.
You will fail without it.
I can't take it, I said. It's wrong. We argued, back and forth. Take it, put it back. Take it, put it back. Then we heard the teacher's voice.
Where is my notebook?
Everyone stopped moving. The teacher looked at her desk. She moved papers around. She looked worried.
My quiz notebook is missing,
She said.
Nobody leaves until I find it.
My heart was racing, fast, so fast. The teacher started searching. She looked at desks. She looked at tables. Clara's face turned white. She had the notebook in her hand. She needed to hide it, fast. I watched her. I couldn't move. Then Clara did something terrible. Harper's bag was open. Harper was talking to another student. She wasn't looking. Clara walked by Harper's desk. She dropped the notebook into Harper's bag. I couldn't believe it. My mouth opened, but no sound came out. The teacher was checking the bags, one by one, student by student. She got to Harper's bag. She opened it. She pulled out the notebook.
Harper,
The teacher said. Her voice was angry.
did you steal this?
Harper's face went red, then white.
No,
She said.
I didn't. I promise.
It was in your bag.
The teacher said.
But I didn't take it.
Harper said. Tears filled her eyes.
Go to the principal's office.
The teacher said.
Now.
Harper started crying. She was shaking. I looked at Clara. Clara looked at the floor. My chest felt tight. I couldn't breathe right. Harper picked up her bag. Tears ran down her face. She walked to the door. I thought about Clara, my best friend. We do everything together. Then I thought about Harper. She didn't do anything wrong. She was innocent. Wait, I said. My voice was quiet, but everyone heard it. The teacher looked at me. Harper stopped at the door. Clara's head turned fast. Harper didn't steal it, I said. My voice shook. Clara did. The room went silent. Clara stared at me. Her mouth opened. Clara took the notebook, I said. She wanted to help me, because I'm bad at math. Then, when the teacher started checking the bags, Clara put it in Harper's bag. The teacher looked at Clara. Clara's face turned red. She started crying.
I was just trying to help,
She said.
Paige is my best friend.
That doesn't make it right.
The teacher said.
You stole, and you blamed another student.
Clara got detention for 2 weeks. She got in big trouble. Harper stopped crying. The teacher apologized to her. But Clara looked at me like I was a stranger. Her eyes were cold.
I hate you.
She whispered to me.
I was helping you. You betrayed me.
That was 3 months ago. Clara doesn't talk to me anymore. She sits far away from me in class. She eats lunch with other friends. When I see her in the hallway, she looks away. I tried to say sorry many times. I wrote her notes. I sent her messages. Nothing worked. I lost my best friend. I still think about that day, every day. Did I do the right thing? Do you think Paige did the right thing? What would you do if you were in her place? If you enjoyed this story, hit the like button. To learn English through stories, subscribe to our channel and never miss a new story. Lesson of the day: annoying. Annoying adjective means a person who bothers you or makes you feel a little angry. Examples from the story: she is annoying. She talks too much. More examples: he is annoying. He always interrupts me. My sister is annoying. She always takes my things.